Bring the ball. Ready? 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 Go get the ball. Uh-oh, it went in a snow mound somewhere.
They'll find it.
You think?
Yeah. You found it when I buried it there. Look, Dad, get it! Get your ball!
He's putting his whole head under the snow. He's putting his whole head under.
Get it! You can find it!
You got it. Come here. Gotta get closer. Closer. Ready? Ready? Go get the ball. Cole doesn't play ball.
He does. He'll play.
He's like, I ain't running for no ball.
Go get him, Coda. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him, Whoopi.